How's it going, everyone? This is a quick tour of my more long-term place here in Da Nang. Maybe I think I rushed it, made a possible bad decision, but we will see how it is, what you think of it. So let's get into it. So when you first enter, this is the main room you have, just like a studio kind of one, and then this bathroom right here, which is a bit revealing, it seems, but I don't know if people can see inside. No idea. It's not such a big one, as you see. Also, you have this window here, which you could look out of and see outside if you really want to reveal yourself. And I have to put all my things here because there's like not really much. Maybe I could put down there, but I don't want to. There's just not much space in here, it seems. But yeah, that's pretty much just the bathroom. And with a light here, so it's off. And come in here, I have a table, not really using it, to be honest. And just a TV. Here we have some shelves which are kind of, I wasn't a fan of this. It's kind of, maybe you can see it moving, a bit broken, but they fixed one of them, this one here, where it's have a few random things on. But yeah, they've kind of fixed it. I don't really want to touch it though, I'm kind of scared it's gonna break again. Got a fridge freezer here, pretty big one, so that's cool. And air conditioning control, random kitchen things that you may need. It seems to be alright. A nice ant here to kill, why not? Random things here to eat and cook with, but I don't really use them, as you can see. Even these, when I get deliveries, I have so many of them left. I got my work set up here with an extension which they bought for me. They promised to buy me a fan as well, but I haven't got my fan because this air conditioner has not really been effective or working too well. And saying that, I should really turn it off because I'm about to leave and I've been using it a lot. And here you have a pretty nice painting on the wall. Keep my clothes in there. It's okay, let's say. Got this bed, which is a pretty good size. I probably need to change this sheet, or not change, but just wash, actually. It's a good reminder. Here I have my own internet, own router, however you want to say it, which is great. Some things in there also, just documents and wires of mine. You have a pretty nice view outside, as you can see. Let's have a look. I think it's pretty cool. You can see the mountains in the back. You got this street here, some people live in there. And that's pretty much it. There's a window here, but nothing special. So yeah, that's it for this place, I would say. Just a quick tour, and the price of this was a bit high, actually. So the total price came to 9.5 million, which people find a place like this for 8.5 or 8 because of the area. They said, oh, it's high season, so 9.5. And I tried to negotiate, but they wouldn't. And I really like the area. It's pretty convenient. But yeah, I don't know if it's really worth it because you can find something way better in a different part of the city for this price. So, but it's still fine for me. And what else? They had some cockroaches. I had to kill some cockroaches. That's something to be aware of. That's a thing in Vietnam, and in Southeast Asia. You'll find cockroaches, lizards, but I found 2 big ones on the first day, so that was a bit annoying. The small ones, yeah, you find them everywhere, but the big ones, that was not great to see 2 of them. And since then, I've been paranoid, to be honest. But anyway, that will be it, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.